We're going to start with a warm-up, and that warm-up is going to be, by the way, always kind of loosen your fingers up. The blue dot will be the C chord, and it's played with the ring finger. And you strum all the strings, okay? The G, which is the red, is played with the middle finger, and you strum all the strings. The F is played with the index finger, that's the green button, and you strum all the strings. You strum all the strings in our course on every chord. You don't have to target any strings, just strum all four all the time. So let me check my tuning again, and we're going to do your first exercise. So, by the way, the exercise may or may not be in your book or download, so you can just follow with it on this if you want to. I'm just doing this just so you can get your fingers moving a little bit, okay? By the way, I'm at 60 on the metronome, and I will be doing quarter notes. Quarter notes. So what quarter notes means is that when you're hearing this, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm strumming with each click. That's quarter notes. If I was playing eighth notes, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I would be playing extra strum, and it would be an up strum in between the clicks. That would be eighth notes. All right, here we go. 2, 3, start with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, G. 1, 2, C. I mean F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Back to C. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Very good. Very good. So that just takes you through the pattern we went through. We went to C, to G, to F, and then back to our home chord, which is C. All right.